Hi, this is Tim Lewis with Multimedical English. Today I thought we'd talk a little bit about the pronunciation of certain medical words. So, let's start. The 50 most common symptoms that present at a hospital or a clinic. The patient says, "I have abdominal pain." But we document it, report it, or we write it as, "The patient has abdominal pain." We can also say, "The patient has abdominal pain." Abdominal bloating. Abdominal bloating. The patient has abdominal bloating. Abdominal pain. Abdominal pain. The patient has abdominal pain. Anxiety. Anxiety. The patient has anxiety. Back pain. Back pain. The patient has back pain. Blood in urine. Blood in urine. The patient has blood in urine. Blood-tinged sputum. Blood-tinged sputum. The patient has blood-tinged sputum. Burning sensation. Burning sensation. The patient has a burning sensation. Chest pain. Chest pain. The patient has chest pain. Chills. Chills. The patient has chills. Constipation. Constipation. The patient has constipation. Cough. Cough. The patient has a cough. Well, that's all for today. Keep practicing, and you can repeat the video over and over until you have really clean pronunciation. Good luck! And if you have any questions, you can write to us at our email or call us.